Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate exactly how to export video with transparency using DaVinci Resolve 18. I am currently working with a YouTube subscribe animation that I want to save as a transparent file so I can easily overlay it in future projects. As you can see, this clip originally featured a green screen background. If I toggle the 3D keyer off, the green is still there. If you don't know how to remove a green screen yet, or want to learn how to create this specific animation from scratch, please check the links provided in the video description and then come back to finish this guide. To begin the export, navigate over to the Deliver tab at the bottom of the screen. First, you need to give your file a name. I will call mine Subscribe Animation Transparent. After that, choose the specific folder where you want to save the file and click the Save button. Now, move to the settings and set the format to QuickTime. For the codec, you must select GoPro Cineform and then change the type setting to RGB 16-bit. This will make a new option appear called Export Alpha. It is very important that you click this checkbox to ensure the background remains transparent. Once those settings are ready, click Add to Render Queue and then hit the Render All button. You will need to wait a moment while the software processes the file, as keying out the green screen can take a bit of extra time. When the rendering is finished, locate your animation in your file finder. I am going to bring this new file back into DaVinci Resolve to show you the results. I'll delete the original clip and import the transparent version instead. To prove it works, I will move the animation to a higher track and place a different video underneath it. When I adjust the size of the background video, you can clearly see that the animation is now truly transparent. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing. I will see you in the next tutorial.